In this video, I am going to review such a good AI cold emailing outreaching tool. After checking out features, you will be amazed. For example, you can create the email sequences and you can even add the follow-ups based on the if or else. Then there is the calendrical meeting feature available within the same platform you can add, so you don't need to integrate with the Calendly or the Teddycale. Just enable this one. There's also dark mode and the light mode available, and after that you will get all the meetings data straight into the same dashboard. There's the unified inbox section available to getting all the replies and managing all the replies here. And look at all these AI outreaching features, like you can create the sequences, there's the outbox, there's the task you can assign for you or for your team members, there's the templates, there's the email senders. And let me tell you, the emails connectivity is really easy. For every kind of the email connectivity, there's the step-by-step tutorials available. You can connect using the Google Workspace, there's the Outlook, there's the Zoho Mail, there's the SMTP, there's the IMAP with the SMTP. Plus you can also use your free Gmail account, and the best thing, you can even add bulk email accounts here. And not only you can add the email accounts, but you can also do the warming up within the same platform. For example, this is the demo email I have connected here to show you, and you can see I have enabled the sending, receiving, and this is the warm up feature that I want to tell you, and it is currently active. And right now what I can do, I can check out what is my delivery score based on this warm up. So this is the good thing. And if I go to this warm-up reports, it will exactly show me how many the emails I have sent for the warming up. This is all done by the AI. You don't have to do anything manually. Then how many the emails you received, replies, spam, all these things, and from which emails you are getting the emails or sending out the emails, it will also show you. So before using any other cold emailing tool, this is the detailed data I have missed out to checking out how my warming up procedure is going on. Okay, and again, the really cool feature I want to talk about, this is the template section. Here you can just create the templates, and by default you are getting the few templates itself created by this platform. And let me tell you the quality of these templates you are getting, so you get to idea how these templates will work and how you can even create for yourself or your service. And you can check it out, there's so many the personalization options you will get. Hi, hello, hey. So based on any of these things, any of one will be added with the first name. I hope this email finds you well. My name is this is your email name will be added, and I am reaching out to introduce you to your product name will be appear automatically. Service solution for companies in the industry. Here it will be adding your industry automatically. And you can see there's the AI available in this platform, and its AI name is the Blink GPT. Okay, so I will give a detailed demo and the features showcasing all of its the function. So hey guys, this is Basant here, and without wasting any more time, let me reveal this tool's name. So this tool name is the SalesBlink, and currently it's back again on the AppSumo lifetime deal. So this is the good news I am really excited to talk about. And look at the pricing, just $69, and after the so much time, it is back again on the AppSumo. And look at the reviews, more than 300 plus. And if I go to the reviews, just read out the reviews, you will be amazed how good this platform is. And previously, before creating the SalesBlink video, I have already reviewed the outreaching tools like the Reach Inbox, Outboundly.ai. So you can watch those videos also on my YouTube channel. Just click here on the search section and just do the search Reach Inbox review by SaaS Guru, Outboundly review by the SaaS Guru, or you can just go to the reviews this video section and find out the reviews yourself. Okay, so I have also done that, and in future I am going to compare SalesBlink with the Outboundly and the Reach Inbox. So make sure you subscribe this channel to stay updated with those comparisons and get to know whether which tool will be the perfect for you. Now let's back to the SalesBlink demo video and the tutorial. So this is the SalesBlink dashboard, and if I go to dashboard, let me tell you one more thing here. This dashboard you are watching right now, you can customize it and make it according to you. For example, here in the my sequences, email stats, report log, or open line. So you want to customize it, let's click on this pencil icon, and here you can check it out. If I click here, it will show me all the other things I want to add here, like how many I want to here in the my sequences. So right now it's 10. So currently the 3 is available, but it can go up to the 10. Then this is the email stat. If I click here, I can just enable or disable any of these boxes to showing or missing out the insights. Okay, so I want to check out also the outbox data, so I will enable it and click on this save, and now it will start showing me the outbox. Same thing I can do with the reply log or the open log, and there's also the other features things as well. So let me save it, and now my customized dashboard is enabled to preview all the insight that is the highly suitable or targeting to me. Then the next section is the outreaching, and here you will get the most of the features, like you will get the sequences, outbox, lists, tasks, reports, templates, email senders, and the settings, and you can manage them in this single dashboard. This is the sequences. You can also separate them with the folders with your team members or the archive, or you can mark them with the star. So this is the really good filtration option they have added. And let me show you the my first sequence I have created to give you a demo. So if I open it, by the way, you can create the new sequence clicking on the create new sequence. This button will be appear here, but we are under the sequence, that's why here only the show and launch is showing, but you are getting what I'm trying to say. So whenever the lead source is connected, the sequence will be start. So first email will be sent this, then this will be delay, then this is the second email will be sent, and after that what I can do, I can just set up this follow-up thing. Like if I show you here, I have this follow-up thing, that is the if and else. If the open email sent is the open, then this email will be sent, and if it's not, I can just send out the another follow-up email. So this thing you can also do it with this sequence section. Okay, so to create the new sequence, you will have to just click here, create new sequence, and you will start creating sequence. This is the really easiest way, and the dashboard you are checking out right now. Then we have the outbox. Basically it will show you all of the emails you have sent it out, and you can check out the personalized review and even approve the emails. Then we have the list, and here all of your lists will be appear. You can also create the new list clicking on here. If I show you my demo list, this is the demo emails I have imported to give you information, and by default it is on automatically going to validate the emails whether it's actually the right email or not. You can see it's the check mark I am showing you right now, means this email is automatically valid by the SalesBlink this platform. Okay, so this is the good part I liked about here. Then this is task. Here you can assign the task for you for your future purpose. Plus if you have the team members, you can also assign tasks to them. This is the report section. Here you will get the detailed reporting on the emails you have sent it out or the replies you are getting. Then this is the template section, and here like I said, these templates is really good. For example, this is for your outreaching template, and this is the follow-up template here. And if you have the more templates by default you want to add it, just click on the add create new, and you will add the new template. And this is the email senders section, and here you can connect your email accounts which you want to use for the cold outreaching. And if I click here on the ad center, there are all the popular ways to connect your email accounts. Like you can use the Google Workspace, Outlook, Zoho, SMTP, or you can even use the free Gmail account. For example, if I click here on the free Gmail account, you can see there's a lot of things it is asking, so you don't know how to do that, but don't worry, because there's the step-by-step guide also they are providing. So just click it here, and now it will guide you how you can connect your email account with the free Gmail account. Okay, so this is the thing that I liked also very much in the SalesBlink. Okay, now let me go to the next section, that is the settings, and here you will get some configuration things. Like you want to add the signature in the end of the email, you can add it here. You want to add the email warm-up links here, you can add it here. And if you want to even connect your custom domains, you can do it from here. So this is the some manual configuration things you can do it from here. Now let's go to the inbox section, and this is the unified inbox section you will get. If I click on the check replies, because I don't have, but once you start getting the replies, it will show up here. You can even mark them with the this replies under the interested, deal close or not. This is the good thing I also liked here in this unified inbox section. And then we have the one of the most crazy feature I have seen in any email cold outreaching tool is to connect the Google calendrical view. For example, you want to book the meeting, just set up the page here. Okay, let me go to the meet, and here I have already set up my page, but also let me tell you that setting up this thing is really easy. Okay, if I go to settings, let me show you. It will show you to connect or even enable the link that you will send out to your all the emails for your subscribers or the people you are outreaching. Okay, then we have this general settings. You can set up the working hours, attendee list, booking form, email notifications, configuration redirect, even the Google Calendar. All these things you can easily configure, and after that, that's how your meetup calendrical page will be look like. You can also see there's the dark mode or the light mode option available. Whatever the visitor is going to prefer, they can select it, and after that they can select any of the date to booking, and your time slots will be appear. They can select here, enter the some questions you have assigned, details or in the information, and after that they can click on the schedule, and boom, your meeting is done. This is the good part that I see that is the available in the SalesBlink here, and this feature is even not available in the reach inbox or the outboundly, or I can say in the instantly. So this is the good feature they have added. Okay, so I have showed you all the sections and the features and the functions. That is the key feature of the SalesBlink here. And if I talk about my favorite one, I liked here in the sequences, unified inbox, and this calendrical meetup page here. Okay, so let me talk one more thing about its user interface. So until now, you see every feature I have showed you right now is really easy to use or easy to understand compared to others cold emailing outreaching tools. This user interface that the SalesBlink is offering is too much easy to understand. I can customize even the dashboard here. So as for me, this is the best user interface in any cold emailing platform here. Now let me talk about the one more important factor, that is the pricing of its lifetime deal. So its pricing starts from the $69, and if I scroll down below, you can get to know about its deal and what are the features it's offering. But don't worry, I'm going to make it short. So this is the features you are going to get. First thing, lifetime access with all the future updates. Okay, you will get the unlimited users, means unlimited users you can send the emails, unlimited email sender accounts you can add, unlimited emails templates you can add, unlimited email accounts you can use for the warming up. There's the sender rotations you will get. There's the integrations. So I missed out to show you what are the integrations. So let me get back again on the dashboard, and if I go to here on the my name section, here you will find out the integration. There are so many integrations available with the Zapier although, but there are also some separate integrations available like the HubSpot, Pipedrive, Zoho CRM, and all these integrations are available with the Zapier. With a single click you can activate it. Okay, so this is the integrations I'm talking about. I have showed you can connect your email accounts using the Gmail, Outlook, SMTP, or even the IMAP. So there are the multiple plans available. So if you're the individual or the just testing out the tool, what I suggest, go with single plan, because it will help you to experience how the cold outreaching platform works and what are the features. Okay, but if you have this some knowledge and you want to use for its like your personal outreaching tool, okay, then I suggest go with its multiple plan section, because here you will get the unlimited monthly email sending limit and good amount of the credits for the Blink GPT AI personalized emails per month, 15 Blink GPT AI sequences per month. It will help you to generate the sequences, by the way. Then the 75 Blink GPT email templates per month. With the AI, this AI is specially trained for the creating the personalized emails, sequences, or the templates. So this is the credits you are going to get. So if you are even switching out from your any of the older cold emailing tools and you are paying the monthly subscription, I suggest this SalesBlink lifetime deal is the most perfect deal right now for you. So you want to check out this deal, the link will be given in the description. Plus there's also the 60 days money back guarantee you will get. Somehow if you are not happy, just return it and your 100% money will be back without asking any question. So this is the great part of the AppSumo offers without asking any questions, full refunds. Okay, and in future I am also going to compare the SalesBlink with the reach inbox or the outboundly or the instantly. So make sure you also subscribe this channel to stay updated with those comparisons and get to know where SalesBlink stand to those cold email outreaching tools and what are the differences in the those platforms compared to the SalesBlink. Okay, so that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Bye bye, take care. You want to check out this deal, the link will be given in the description, and I will see you in the next one.